At Villa Segovia, we are committed to the health of our guests. To fulfill this responsibility, we are not only following all the sanitation guidelines of the Health Department and the World Health Organization, but we go beyond. This is how we make sure that all our rooms and common areas are secure and disinfected. We have created sanitation and disinfecting protocols that fit our needs and pay special attention to the small details that bring tranquility to our clients. You can find a personal health kit containing 2 masks in each room, 2 pairs of gloves, a small bottle of sanitizing gel, and a packet of disinfecting wipes. Anyone can stay at Villa Segovia, except for the virus. All our access points have sanitizing mats, all our bedding is washed at 140 degrees to eliminate all viruses and bacteria. We disinfect every corner of our rooms and all high-contact items such as door handles, televisions, remote controls, and other objects. We want to offer a safe and relaxing environment. This is why we use medical-grade disinfectants in our entire complex through spray devices and UVC lights that will help complete our building's cleanliness. All Villa Segovia staff wear a face mask and follow strict and cleaning guidelines. Everyone has access to sanitizing gel of 70% alcohol. And all our team has completed a COVID-19 safety course that enables them to act appropriately to all safety scenarios. Guests can find throughout the villa sanitation stations with disinfecting gel. We know that during these difficult times our efforts need to be double. Therefore, our security services have expanded to 24 hours, 7 days a week. We also have a qualified team of paramedics 5 minutes away from our villa. For your tranquility, we have incremented our food safety processes. All our foods are prepared under strict distinctive age guidelines. This distinction is awarded by the Tourism and Health Departments in Food Management. By following these guidelines, we make sure that your food is always free of pathogens. We know that we are not exempt from an unfortunate event, such as a guest being infected. If this were to happen, the infected guest room would be removed from the service and put under the most strict cleanliness and disinfection protocols. As you can see, our commitment to health and cleanliness has been designed for your safety and tranquility. So long as you stay with us, you have nothing to worry about, because we care for your health as if you were at home. Villa Segovia, your home away from home.